Getting to know who and whom. Common errors and pitfalls. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our grammar series. In this episode, we'll be diving into a commonly misunderstood aspect of English grammar. We'll talk about the pronouns who and whom, and specifically address common errors and pitfalls when using them. Ready to get started? Let's go! First, let's make sure we understand what these words mean and how they function. Who is a subject pronoun, similar to he, she, and they. Whom, on the other hand, is an object pronoun, like him, her, and them. Here's a simple rule to remember. Use who when referring to the subject of a sentence and whom when referring to the object of a sentence, or when it follows a preposition. For example, who is going to the store? Who is the subject? To whom was the letter written? Whom is the object of the preposition to? Now, let's discuss the most common mistakes people make when using these pronouns. A frequent error is using who, where whom should be used, and vice versa. This is often because whom can sound formal and a bit old-fashioned to many English speakers. Here's an incorrect usage. Who did you give the book to? The correct form would be, to whom did you give the book? Or, whom did you give the book to? In informal speech, many English speakers would simply say, who did you give the book to? And while this is common in casual conversation, it's not technically correct in formal written English. Here's a simple trick to help you remember when to use who or whom. If you can replace the word with he or she, then use who. If you can replace it with him or her, then use whom. For instance, if we go back to the sentence, to whom did you give the book? You could answer it with, I gave the book to her. Hence, whom is correct. We hope this video clarified the usage of who and whom for you. English pronouns can be tricky, but with practice, you'll get the hang of them. Just remember, who is for subjects and whom is for objects and after prepositions. Use the he, she, and him, her trick if you're unsure. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy learning.